How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troyce here, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make ketogenic ice cream balls. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And please, feel free to share this out with anybody who you think could benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. So get the message out there. You can have amazing food on keto. Look at these chocolate ice cream balls. I was able to make these with the keto ice cream from Aldi's. You can also make this from Rebel ice cream. So look at these ice cream balls. These are incredible. I used dark chocolate for the coating and shaped them with a cylinder shaped mold, and I'll show you how to do that right now. This video was suggested by my beautiful fiance. First thing I'm doing is placing 1 spoonful of keto ice cream in each cylinder. I'm using the keto ice cream from Aldi's. This is the peanut butter fudge flavor. So after I filled the container, I'm going to place it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to melt down some dark chocolate. I'm using Lindt's chocolate. I'm using 95% chocolate, so it has no sugar. You could sweeten it with a little bit of stevia if you like to as well, but the keto ice cream itself is a little bit sweet. "30 minutes have elapsed. Now it's time to coat these ice cream cylinders with chocolate. As you can see, I'm completely submerging the cylinders into the chocolate. I'm turning it to allow excess chocolate to drip into the pan, and I'm going to allow these to dry for about 5 minutes. And I'm going to repeat this process to all of the cylinders. Now, just a reminder, if you have a video suggestion, please leave it in the comment section down below. And if it's a good idea for a video, I may make a video. And I'll give you credit for it, with a shout out right in the video. After about 5 minutes, the keto ice cream balls have finished drying. So now it's time to safely remove them onto another tray. Look at these keto ice cream balls. They look incredible. They're like keto bonbons. Look at the ice cream. Delicious. A hard, crunchy coating exterior. You could store these in the freezer and enjoy them as you like. All right, guys, it's all done. Now I'm going to take a taste test. Look at these ice cream balls. Incredible. These taste delicious. Amazing peanut butter fudge in the middle. This is delicious. You can also put some strawberries in the middle or some berries. You can blend it up. You can have fun with this, guys. I mean, these are delicious. Ice cream balls. You can't go wrong. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day. Matt Troyce signing out.